Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Welcome to my 400th video. Today I'm going to show you how to make watermelon Rice Krispie treats. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, for the watermelon rind, you're going to need 4 cups of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 cups of Rice Krispie Cereal, and some green food coloring. And then for the watermelon center, you're going to need 5 cups of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, 5 cups of Rice Krispies cereal, and then some red food coloring. And then if you want some chocolate chips to use as the seeds, you can. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I just took 2 cake pans and just greased them with cooking spray, and we're just going to set those to the side. Alright, so our recipe that we're going to do today, we are just going to do everything in the microwave, but you could also do it on the stovetop if you prefer that way. So right now we are going to put our 4 cups of mini marshmallows and our butter in a microwavable safe bowl and just microwave that in 20-second intervals until it's smooth. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are going to add in our green food coloring, and you want to work pretty quickly on these next couple steps. Alright, my green is ready, so I'm going to hurry up and stir in my 4 cups of Rice Krispies. Okay, now the green is finished, and I just put it into my 2 prepared pans, and you just kind of work it around with your hands, but just be sure to spray your hands first with cooking spray. I had to clean mine a few times, and I really wish I would have put more green in there. It was pretty green until I added the Rice Krispie treat, so just keep that in mind. So we are going to repeat the same steps using the other marshmallows, the 5 cups this time. Alright, this is all mixed together, so I'm going to add in my 5 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. And I did not mention earlier, you will want to do just half at a time, so just do like I'm doing 2.5 cups, and then I'll stir this and do 2.5 more cups. Alright, that looks nice and combined to me. So next we are just going to put it into the centers of each of our cake pans over here and just really press it down to incorporate it. Alright, my red is in the center, and I just took a piece of parchment paper, or you can use wax paper, and really press down on this to make sure that it's all flat and combined together, so when you cut it, it doesn't fall apart. Especially you want to do that around these little edges right here. Make sure it's really incorporated. So we are going to go ahead and add chocolate chips. I'm going to do one of mine with chocolate chips, and then we're going to let them sit for 15 minutes. Alright, my little chocolate seeds have been added, and I am going to go ahead and stick these in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Alright, my 15 minutes is up, so next I just am going to take a butter knife, run it along the edge of my pan, and then invert this onto something to cut it, and then cut it into pieces. I already did this one that doesn't have the seeds. So let me go ahead and do this one. Alright, they are all cut, and they just look so adorable. So I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, I have some for my little taste testers to taste. Here, taste testers. Take one. Got it? Yep. Alright, have a little taste.
That's good. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.